What's up guys, I'm AwesomeFrames56 here. Today I just wanted to show you how you can fix your pause menu script in Unity. Now a lot of you may have been getting the pause menu script from the wiki page, and there's not a single problem with that at all. You may be frustrated whenever you first install the pause menu script that some things may not be as you want them to be. As such, whenever you hit the play button, you're greeted by the pause menu and the camera can still move around. I'm going to be telling you today how to first of all fix this pause menu from showing up at the beginning, and then after that I'll be showing you how you can fix the camera from moving. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to open up your pause menu script in MonoDevelop or whatever you use, and you're going to paste this in. This is a JavaScript version. All you would need to do is go and right click, hit create, and then you would do JavaScript right here. Now I'll do a link in the description to a paste bin with all this in it. But right now we're just gonna fix it starting at the beginning. Now my friends and I, we were sitting here racking our brains trying to figure out how to do this. So so the first thing you're gonna see is this here. It says function start. That's what you're going to look for. And then this fixed version will be in the paste bin. First of all, you're going to change this to unpause game. And then you're going to cut this from that and then paste it. And this should, in theory, keep the game from pausing whenever the game starts. This and the reason we put the time.timescale equals 1 after the unpause game is so that the game will actually work. Sometimes it gets confused and it doesn't know what to do, and you won't be able to move around, you won't be able to do anything, and nothing will work. So that's just to ensure that it will work. So now that we have that fixed, we can go into here and save this. And now, whenever we hit play, if this worked, the game won't be paused, and we'll be able to move around. And then we can hit escape, get our pause menu. And of course we still have the issue with it, with the camera being able to move around. So that's problem number 1 out of the way. Now this took me forever to figure out how to fix, and I know you'll appreciate this knowledge. So we're going to go back into our pause menu script real quick. Keep that open. Open up our mouse orbit script, which is attached to our main camera. Actually, both of these scripts are attached to the main camera. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go back into MonoDevelop, and where it says X speed and Y speed, we're going to be changing these. So there'll be static variables instead of just normal variables. And now that we have these set as static variables, we're going to have to do this as well, just so they can be accessed by the other scripts. So if you want to copy this right here real quick, pause the video and do so now. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to, on our pause menu, we're going to have to set up the X speed and the Y speed for us to be able to use. So we're gonna just create a couple variables, and we'll do these at the top. Why not? We'll name this one X speed and give it the X speed of our mouse orbit script. And then we'll also do another variable named Y speed. And also give that the Y speed of our mouse orbit. So now that we have both of these set up, they can now be edited within Unity in the inspector. Now it's going to be hard for you to see right here, but I'll zoom in as much as I can. You have X speed and Y speed, and you may want to name them something different so you yourself know what they are for. But if you look at the mouse orbit script after you did this, your X speed and Y speed would be gone, and now on your pause menu. Now that we have that done, we can go into our pause menu script and we can scroll all the way down to where our pause game and our unpause game functions are. It doesn't have to be in any specific place in here, but we are going to set both the X speed and the Y speed variables for the mouse orbit script. Pause game, we're going to want to do mouse orbit, or whatever your name of the camera script is. It'll be the name of your script dot X speed is 0 because the game will be paused, and then we'll also copy that again. I don't know what just happened. That's weird. Okay, never had that happen before. That was certainly a unique issue. We'll also be setting up the Y speed and setting that to 0. Now that we have X speed and Y speed set to 0, for the paused, whenever we unpause the game, we're going to want it to still be able to move. So we're going to have to go into here and then also change it. Mouse orbit dot X speed is equal to X speed. And then the Y speed is equal to the Y speed. So now that we have both of those set for the pause game and the unpause game, we can now save all, and check it out, see if it works or not. We can still move the camera around, look at different things, and whenever we hit pause, we can move our mouse around and it will not move the camera. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this helped you out, because I know I sat for hours pulling my hair out trying to figure out how this particular thing worked, and then whenever I finally figured it out, I felt like I felt like I was ready to throw my computer at the wall, but If it helped you out, please feel free to give it a like. And um, my name is AwesomeFriends56, and I bid you all farewell. Thanks so much for watching.